Next, we're going to add some shapes to our magazine cover. So if you do want to add some shapes, what you do is you come over to your Tools panel and you click on these two shapes right here. It's called the drawing tool, but it has two little shapes there. We're going to click on that and it pulls up some options for us up here in our top bar. So we have options between a rectangle tool, a rounded rectangle tool, an ellipse tool or a circle tool, and a line tool. And it also gives us some options here on how to modify our shape. So we have options for opacity here, and opacity just means how transparent your shape is. So if you slide that bar up to 100, that's going to be a completely solid shape. But if you move it down a little bit, you'll be able to see a part of your image through. It'll be a little bit more transparent. So I'll show you what that looks like. I'll keep mine in the 60s. We're going to leave the mode normal. And our border size, you're going to put that at 0. So if it's at something up here, we're going to slide that down to where it says 0. You're also going to keep fill shape checked. And then here we can start choosing our color. So you just click on that and it pulls up this color wheel here. And I wanted a blue color, as you can see, so I just pulled a color from my image, this blue background here, and it pulls up some options for me to work with. And I want mine just a little bit more brighter blue. So I'm going to move this around, and I like that color, so I'll click OK. And now I can start drawing my shape on my image. What you do is you just click and drag, and this will create the different size shape you want. So maybe you want it big or small. Once you have an idea, you just let go, and that will give you an idea of what your shape looks like. If you don't really like the shape that you created and you want to retry, all you have to do is go to your keyboard on your computer and click Command and hold that down and click Z, and that will undo it. And then you can retry. I'm going to make mine a little skinnier, just like that. So now that I have my shape that I want, I can go over here to my Move tool, and I can move it around to wherever I like. I'm going to move mine right down here. Once you're done, if you'd like, you can come over to your layer. You can just click on your layer, double click on it, and you can rename it, and this is my blue shape. You can click Enter, or click outside of the box, and that will let you know if you need to go and move that again. You can come back and click on this, go to your Move tool, and you can move that back around.